English medium student, subject maths, chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Namaskar, by Suhas Patel. Now start. First, definition of the arithmetic progression. So what is the definition? First, a fixed number which added in a sequence in common difference is called arithmetic progression. Again, I take an example first. Suppose 3, 6, 9, 12, all this. Now I repeat the definition. In a sequence, this is a sequence 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay? Fixed number be added. Here you saw here first 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. So added here 3 number. And which added is called common difference of AP. This is common difference. How do you find out D? D find out this A1, A2. So A2 minus A1, 6 minus 3, answer will 3. Common difference 3. Same to same D, here A3. A3 minus A2. 9 minus 6 so 3. This common difference be same. So arithmetic progression be definition in a sequence added same number of all the terms and common difference be same. This is called arithmetic progression. In shortcut we can say AP. A dot P. It is means arithmetic progression. Now general form of arithmetic progression be general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, all this. This is the general form of the arithmetic progression. Now your finite arithmetic progression infinite. This is the infinite arithmetic progression. Why? The end is not given here. So infinitely many terms. So this is the infinite arithmetic progression. Now suppose we take here 4, 8, 12 up to 40. So this is a fixed number and finite. So this is the finite arithmetic progression. Fixed number. This is finite and this is the infinite arithmetic progression. This is the finite arithmetic progression. Now again also we start exercise 5.1. I read the question. All of you listen carefully. In which of the following situation does the list of the number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Yeah, it means you find out arithmetic progression and suppose yes, so why I read this? No, so reason. Okay. The taxi fare इसका मतलब भाड़ा. After each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for first kilometer, if taxi be taken and going to 1 kilometer given the 15 rupees for 1 kilometer and add 8 for each of the additional kilometer. 8 kilometer adding. Suppose second kilometer what happened? 15 plus 8. Okay, so 23. After 3 kilometer, 23 plus 8, it means increasing the 8 rupees. So this is the arithmetic progression, yes and no. We start now. Exercise 5.1, question 1 here. So first the fare for 1 kilometer rupees 15. Okay. After add 88 rupees add. So second kilometer what happened? 15 plus 8, so rupees 23. Third kilometer, 23 plus 8, so rupees 31. Same to same, 4 kilometer, 31 plus 8, so rupees 39, up to dash. Now here we check, first this is the arithmetic progression, yes, y. So we write down first AP. AP means arithmetic progression. 15, 23, 31, 39, up to dash. Now this is the arithmetic progression. How to check? So common difference D, A2 minus A1. So this A1, this A2. So 23 minus 15. So 8. Same to same is check here. D, A3 minus A2. A3, 31 minus 23. So 8. This common difference we say, so we can say that this is the arithmetic progression. Yes, this is arithmetic progression. Finish. Okay, now second question we start now. Second question Adil, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump in a petrol pump also, you fill up the air in car, scooter, bike also. Remove 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at the time. Okay. What happened? You are given a pump and fill up, suppose you fill up the air. So, suppose we taken once. First we taken here. Question 2. Suppose total air in a pump one's pressure we taken. When we fill up here, so what happened? 1/4 remaining. 1/4 remaining. So how much fill up here? So 4 is the LCM. 4 1s are 4 minus 1. So 3/4. Okay. Now also you are given the question. Again we taken this. What happened? So first here volume of air, formula what? So V square 3/4 here given, and V means volume because air in measure in volume, so 3/4 volume. After second time, suppose second time, if this is the first time volume V, second time 3/4 V. Third time volume of air, what happened? First 3/4 volume also and remaining 1/4 also again. So what happened? Same to same position, 3/4 also multiply. 3/4 volume, inner side to fill up the air and 3/4 also air. So what happened? 3/4 square volume. Now we check in the arithmetic progression, first volume B, second time 3/4 volume V, third time 3/4 square volume V. It means this is the not arithmetic progression. Why? Because we different of the two terms, A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A1, not the same common difference. So we can say that no arithmetic progression. Okay? Now this again question number 3. What is the given question number 3? I read first. The cost of digging a well, it means well means kua. After every meter of the digging well, it is cost rupees 150. For the first meter and rise by rupees 50 for each subsequence. Okay? it means you are starting for 150 rupees for the arithmetic progression. Okay, let's start now. Question number 3. Question 3. First time digging, so given rupees, first time digging of the well, rupees given 150. But again you start to add 50 add. So second arithmetic progression 150 plus 50, so 200. Third time 200 plus 50, so 250. Again fourth, so 250 plus 50, so 300 up to dash. So what happened? Arithmetic progression be 150, 200, 250, 300 up to dash. It means infinitely arithmetic progression given. So first, this is the arithmetic progression, yes or not. How to find common difference? We says common difference D, A2 minus A1, 200 minus 150, so we get 50. Now second time A3 minus A2, 250 minus 200, so 50. It means common difference be same, so we can say that yes, arithmetic progression, because common difference be same. Now question number 4 we start here. What is given in the question first? Written first. The amount of money in the account every year. 1 rupees, 10,000 rupees is deposit in common compound interest. 8% per annum. It means here total rupees is 10,000 given, total rupees. Start from here. Question number 4. Here amount be rupees 10,000 given for P, rupees 10,000 given. 8% interest. So RB 8. But we want to find arithmetic progression of compound interest. Okay. So compound interest we want to find. So A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. This is the formula for the first year. P means 10,000. 1 plus R means 100, R 8 by 100 raised to 1. 10,000, LCM taken, cross multiply, 100 1 100 plus 8, 10,000, 108 by 100. Okay, now cut this. So what happened? 10,000, 810. This is the arithmetic progression. But here we want to find the second compound interest. What happened? This is the first year. First year compound interest. Now second, same to same. The formula be same. A P is equal to 10,000. Okay. 1 plus R 8 by 100 raised to 2. Second year. So 10,000. So 108 by 100 raised to 2. Okay. So what happened? 10,000 108 by 100, 108 by 100. Now we cut. What happened? 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So 108 into 108. So A is given here. 108 is 108. Now second we taken here. Now third. Don't be multiply easily getting with the answer. So third here. So A is equal to P 10,000. 1 plus R means 8 by 100 raised to 3. So what happened? 10,000, 108 by 100, because we taken the LCM, same LCM, 100 LCM, so we get 108 by 3. 10,000, 108 by 100, 108 by 100, 108 by 100, 3 times. Okay, now cut 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So remaining 108 108 into 108 upon 100. So now you saw A, this is the A1, this A2 and this A3. If you subtracting, so not get common difference in. So easily we can say that no arithmetic progression, because here pointing answer, here without pointing, here also without pointing. Automatically we can say that answer be not a arithmetic progression. Now we start question number 2. Now we start. First I read the question. Question to write the first 4 terms of the arithmetic progression AP when the first terms A and the common difference D are given as follow. Okay. Here given question number 2. First. Here A is 10, D is also 10 given. A means first term 10 given, D second term 10 given. So we want to find arithmetic progression. So first general formula of arithmetic progression we taken. First A means 10. Second A plus D, 10 plus 10, so 20. A plus 2D, so 10 plus 2, D means here 10. So 10 to the 20, so we getting 30. After A plus 3D, 10, 3D means 10. 10 plus 30, so we getting 40. Okay, so now we start here. 4 terms, we now start these 4 terms arithmetic progression. First term 10, second 20, third 30, fourth 40. This is the 4 term of the arithmetic progression. Question 2 first finish. Now question 2 second. A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 0. Start now. A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. Okay. So first what happened? First comes in general formula A is equal to minus 2. A plus D, so minus 2 plus 0, so answer minus 2. A plus 2D, minus 2 to 0, minus 2 plus 0, answer minus 2. A plus 3D, minus 2, 3, 0, minus 2 plus 0, any multiply 0, answer will be 0, so minus 2. Now we write down the fourth term of the arithmetic progression, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, okay, fourth term of the arithmetic progression. Now a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 3. Third number, a is equal to 4 and d is equal to minus 3. So first term a is equal to 4, a plus d, 4 plus minus 3, plus minus minus, 4 minus 3 is 1. Second, a plus 2d, 4 plus 2d means minus 3, 4 plus minus minus, 2 3 is 6, 4 minus 6 is not possible, but 6 minus 4 is possible, so 2 but bigger sign minus 2. A plus 3d, a value 4, 3d value minus 3, 4 plus minus minus 3 is 9. 4 minus 9 is not possible, but 9 minus 4 is possible, so we are getting 5, but bigger sign minus 5. So arithmetic progression of the fourth term be 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Now question number 4. Question 2, question number 4 we start. Write down here first. A is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 1 by 2. 4 number, a is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 1 by 2. And find out the arithmetic progression. So first a is equal to minus 1, a plus d, so minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Now we taken the LCM. 2 is the LCM, cross multiplied, 2 1 are 2, minus 2, 1 1 are 1, 2 minus 1, bigger sign minus 1 by 2. A plus 2d, a means minus 1, 2, d means 1 by 2. 2 2 cut, minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. A plus 3d, a is equal to minus 1 plus 3, d means 1 by 2. Now we take and multiply, 3 1s are 3 by 2. LCM taken be here. This is the last sum of this question number 2 and question number 5 in your homework. 2 is the LCM, cross multiply, 2 1s are 2, minus 2 plus 3, 3 minus 1, so 1 by 2. Now answer of the arithmetic progression of the fourth term be minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Now last sum of the 5 I given the homework. If any difficulty, again I start. I write down the question first. A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to here given minus 0.25. This given the homework. All the students doing the homework. Any difficulty in my second lecture I doing this and problem be solved. Okay. Goodbye. Jai Swaminarayan.